Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk?
Hey guys, what's up? It's Aimee. For today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this fall glam makeup look. So if you want to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so we're all set. I'm ready to put my headband on. By the way guys, forgive me if I'll be looking here and here often. Kasi nandito yung mirror ko, and then nandito yung products na mga gagamitin ko, and a smaller mirror. I colored my hair nga pala. Just wanna share sandali. I colored my hair brown, and then I had some highlights. It looks kind of blonde. So syempre, our first step is primer. I'll be using ThePOREfessional by Benefit. If you guys are wondering kung para saan ang primer, well, it primes your face. It helps the makeup to sit better sa face mo. I also look here kasi ito yung screen ng iPad ko. It serves as a mirror na din. It helps your makeup to last longer. It minimizes the appearance of pores. So, kaya ako siya pina-focus dito sa nose area and sa cheek area kasi dun madalas may pores ang tao. Our next step is foundation, and for this makeup look, I'll be using my favorite drugstore foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless foundation, and I am in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. So, ayan. So, bumili ako ng isa pang sponge, a beige one, kasi yung pink from Miss Bella, ginamit ko siya for cheek tint. And ayokong paghaluin yung sponge for foundation and yung sponge for cheek tint just because. So, I'm just dotting that all over my face. Then, I'll be blending it out with my sponge. Look at that. That's what I mean. Mas dark yung eyelids ko than the rest of my face in general. So there you go. I think our foundation is blended out well na. So we'll leave it to this and we'll be moving on to the next step, which is moisturizing your lips. Nalayan ko na siya ng konting foundation, but that's okay because this lip balm will remove it. I'm using my Lucas Papaw. Next is concealer. I'll be using two of my favorite drugstore concealers. So I'll be using this one first. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 120 Light. There, pero I won't blend it just yet. I'll be getting this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10. This is their light one. I'll be putting it around my nose. Just like this. So again, I'll just be blending that, dragging it onto my lids. And then next, I'll be using this Chicken Lip Tint from KJM in the shade Summer Kiss for my cheeks. So I'll just be doing this, kind of drawing wiggly lines like that. And then getting my Pink Beauty Blender. This one is from Miss Bella. And using the round side, I'll just be blending that. Our next step is contouring, and for that, I have, oh my gosh, super tagal na nito. This is the V-Face something ng Maybelline. So we'll be using a sponge, yung pointy side niya, to blend this out. And we'll be doing this face. There you go. Parang alam mo kung saan yung hollow parts ng face mo, which needs shadowing. Tapos for my nose, is squish ko just like this yung sponge para magnipis siya. Anyway, let's move on to our highlight using the same stick. This is our whole base sitting on our face. Gosh, that rhymes. Our next step is to set everything. By the way, guys, bumili na ako ng bagong brush. And this is the Celine. Basta ganyan siya. And super ganda niya. It's very comparable to Morphe brushes. And this was suggested by my friend Ara. So, thank you so much. Nabili ko to sa Shopee for like 900 pesos lang. And super ganda niya talaga. I'm so happy. Sana ito na yung binili ko the first time around.
And this is the Celine 101 brush, and this is my MAC Studio Fix foundation powder foundation in NC25, and ikot ko lang siya sa pan, tapos tap the excess off.
Ang dami. Lightly dust it lang sa face. By the way, you guys, don't be afraid na i-tap off yung excess products sa brush nyo. Kahit wala na yung brush na product sa kanya, meron yan, trust me. Mukhang poreless yung skin ko, ang ganda niya. So, ayan, okay na yan. Let's now move on to baking our face. To bake our face, I will be using this Johnson's Baby Powder. Ito yung white one lang. Bibake ako under my eyes. Tapos, talagyan ko din yung bridge ng nose ko. Don't bake every day. Don't bake your face every day. Kasi nadadry din yung skin mo if you bake it. While we're waiting for that, we'll do our brows first. And for our brows, alam nyo na to, I'll be using the Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. Our next step is that we'll be cleaning our brows, and to do that, I'm using this Sideline 111 brush, and it's an angled brush na thin lang. So, yung concealer na gamit ko to clean up is just my Fit Me Concealer. So, okay na tayo sa eyebrows natin, and I feel like our face is baked enough. So, let me just get my powder brush again, and let's blend everything out. And to blend the areas you baked, just lightly dust it. For my eye makeup, I'll be using this Tarte Toasted palette. Yung shades niya, super perfect for the fall season. Look at that, diba? It's perfect for fall. Napaka-orangey, there are shimmers, there are matte colors, and they're all perfect. By the way, guys, if you're curious, dun sa whole set ng Sideline brushes, eto sila, and lahat super gaganda. I love the quality nung lahat talaga. So, let's get on with the eye makeup. Okay, so we'll start off with the shade S'more, and it's this shade of the palette. So I'm just dipping my brush there, and tapping off the excess product, and carelessly just buffing that on my crease, on my lid, I'm sorry. For our transition color, I'll be using this shade. This is the latte shade, and using the same brush, natap ko lang din dyan. And I'll be starting with the outer corner, right here. And then making my way up to the crease, blending it inwards, pero sa crease pa rin, just like what I'm doing. To add more orangey shades to that eye look, I will be adding this color. This is the Warmth and also Cozy. And basically just blending them out, and tapping off the excess. And putting it on the same place that I put Latte, pero this time more precisely. So ngayon, kukuha lang ako ng clean na cotton pad. Tapos, yung products dito, babrush ko lang siya dito para mabawasan. I'll then be blending this out.
So, kapag na-blend na yung eye makeup nyo, you can cut crease na using a concealer. And to cut my crease, I'll be using, again, the Fit Me Concealer. Tapos,
I will be using this brush, yung ganyang flat. I'll just use my brush to get some product from the applicator. Okay na yan. Focus ko lang dyan yung cut crease.
I saw you from the day.
Ayan. Okay na yung ganyan. I will just be getting this sunset shade. It's gold, and I love yung pagka-gold niya. My brush. Tapping off the excess. And then just patting it all over the concealer. So, syempre, hindi natin iiwan ng ganyan. I-blend out natin siya kasi may mga harsh lines. And I'll just be blending out the harsh lines. Gagawin ko lang here yung ginawa ko dito in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, ayan na yung eyeliner. And it's kind of fail kasi
medyo nag-bleed yung eyeliner sa side na to. Kasi I feel like hindi pa ganun ka-super packed no shimmer shade dun sa concealer na nilagay ko kanina. So, nung inopen ko yung eyes ko, nag-transfer yung ilang eyeliner dun. Sa part na yun.
Pero ayan, this is how it looks. Wait, I'll give you guys a closer look. So we're moving on to our lashes and curl muna ako.
Wala akong falsies, guys, by the way. Kasi I don't really use false eyelashes. And hindi rin ako marunong magkabit. So kahit bumili ako, feeling ko mas ikaka-failan niya. So iwas tayo dun.
And then I'll be putting on my Lash Sensational Mascara. So guys, tips sa Lash Sensational Mascara or sa any kind of mascara. As you can see, ganyan yung wand niya. So make sure that this one is on the outer corner of your eyes and this one is on the inner corner. Kasi ganun siya dinesign. So, magta-tightline tayo. I'll be using this Harvey Nichols na black na eyeliner pencil to tightline, guys. Just open your eyes wide and then pull your lid like that and medyo nakakayak to. Talaga lang, ba't iyak yung mata ko? Ba't ka ba naiiyak sa makeup? Who hurt you? I'll be getting the shade Flame. Tapos ilalagay ko lang yun sa lower lashes ko. Medyo masakit din to. After that, pero medyo mas-smudge ng konti. Get a brush that kind of looks like this one. Yung fluffy pero pointed yung dulo. And just brush it like this. So para binablend mo lang talaga siya. And then, getting a brush that's like this one, may angle na konti. I will be getting the shade Sunrise. And I'm gonna kinda sweep it on my brow bone. So the next thing that we're going to do is to bronze our face a little. As you can see, I'm a little too pale. So for my bronzer, I'll be using this HOOLA bronzer by Benefit. And for my brush, this is the 104 Style Light brush. Tapos ganyan lang yung itsura niya. Unlike sa contour, bronzers are more carefree when you apply it, but you still wanna focus it on where your face would usually have a shadow. I'm also gonna put some on my forehead. Okay, we're done with bronzer. Next is blush. Kasi as you can see, nawala na yung nilagay natin cheek tint kanina. What I have here right now with me is this color. This is the Maybelline Color Show Blush in the shade Fresh Coral. Just smile. So guys, okay na rin yung blush natin. Let's now move on to highlight. And for our highlight, I'll be using this Maybelline Master Chrome metallic highlighter. And this is in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Blend that all ng mas maganda, I'll be using this 102 Styling Fun Brush. And for our lips, I'll be using this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Clay Crush. Ito yung itsura niya. So guys, if you don't know, this is kind of a dupe for MAC's Velvet Teddy. For our final step, I'll just be spraying this Badescu Rosewater facial spray all over my face. And then, papatuyuin lang natin yan. And then, we're all done. And here is the final look, you guys.
Hey, you. I think you're my subsistence. Hey, you. Or am I wrong?
If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any video requests, suggestions, or challenges that you'd want me to do, and I'll gladly do them. If you want to see more of me and more of my videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it so you won't miss out any of my new videos. That is all, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!